What's going on, everyone? Here we are at this old muffler shop. When I happened to be walking, I noticed it right off. I've been meaning to film this. This is vintage. This has got to be back from the late 50s. I just talked to a dude. He wasn't 100% sure. He was about 80% sure that it was an old Chevron back in the day. Then they closed. Then the guy bought it and made it into a muffler shop. He had it for many, many years. Many years. He even kept the pumps. And then he took them out about 10, 20 years ago. He didn't make enough business through here, so he sold the business and he moved to the other side of Midland. But when you look in the outside of this, you can clearly see what this was. It's vintage. I'm bringing it to you guys. I hope you guys like it. And if you're interested, come walk with me. The old muffler shop. I definitely like the style right there on top. You can see right here where the restroom was on the outside. Your public restroom. That's how I knew it was a service station. It's definitely been trashed. It's been vandalized. You see where somebody bent that to block you coming in and out of here. Somebody left their pile of lawn debris out here. And you hate seeing vandalism. Now I'll walk over here. Hey everybody, here's a free bike tire. If you're interested, it's free. If you're interested, I'll sell it to you cheap. You can definitely tell this is where they've had the pumps right here. Look at the style of this. When I first walked, I could definitely, I knew it was I believed it was a Chevron. I could look at it and tell it was a Chevron. Leave it down in the comments below. If you think it was a different gas station, let me know. I tried to Google it, but nothing came up. Of course, back in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, and early 80s, they didn't have Google. Here's the side of it. It's definitely hurting. You can definitely see where it's decaying right here. It's definitely hurting. Of course, it's all been boarded off because you've had dumb shits that's decided to vandalize the building, which I do not condone vandalism at all. Here's a look at this side of it. I definitely like the top of it. I like that. Here was your signless sign right here. I don't know how much we'll get to see inside. You see where people's broken out the windows. Look at the old bell right there. I love the old lights right here. I don't know if I'm tall enough. Let me know what you can see. It's a shame to see stuff like this just being vandalized and just being left. Wasn't a very long video. It was kind of a shorter video. You can definitely tell the age by the garage doors. Now, when the guy told me, when I was talking to him just a few minutes ago, and he was saying he believed it was an old Chevron, it kind of clicked. Just the style of it, I could see it being a Chevron Service Station. Now, back in the day, this right here used to be the main highway. Now, that right there used to be a Shell station before it became DK. But then I see the green up there. Now, I don't know if that was where he just was trying to paint over his name. That might be the original colors. I don't know. Like I said, leave it down in the comments what you think. I love it. I love the style of it. I like the rock look. I just love the style of it. Like I said, I couldn't pass this up. If you like what I do, please hit that like button for me. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share my channel. Don't be afraid to write some comments. What do you think about this old muffler shop, former gas station? Let me know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.